If you recall, the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen formula are as follows. Keep in mind these calculations, as they will be used to create the Kumo cloud. Senkou span A is the average of a Tenkan and Kijun-sen, and shifted 26 periods into the future. This means that today's price action will start forming the clouds 26 periods ahead. Or put another way, the current cloud was plotted using price action 26 periods ago. This forward-looking feature is very unique because Ichimoku is one of the rare indicators which paints the future using current price action. As for the Senkou span B, derivation is similar to the Kijun-sen, except that it uses 52 periods, instead of Kijun-sen's 26 periods. This will be clearer when we visit the charts next. Let us explain using an example. At the current moment, prices are right here. And it is with the current calculations that future clouds are being formed. You can clearly see that clouds are formed 26 periods ahead of price. Now we consider the current cloud right here, which was created by price action 26 periods ago. In the sections ahead, we will be explaining why both the current, as well as future clouds, are so important. The terms Kumo and cloud will be used interchangeably in this video. It is a support and resistance zone that is ever-changing, and takes on many shapes, sizes, and angles. This is highly valuable as you will notice that such a support-resistance indicator is more dynamic and purposeful, as compared to traditional Western support-resistance indicators, which define very specific support-resistance lines. As technical analysis is a study of mass market psychology, defining support or resistance as a specific value is too narrow, and can often cause traders to enter trades too early, or too late. Therefore, the cloud is a dynamic indicator of support and resistance, as we will soon find out. One of the key benefits of clouds is that at one glance, you can determine whether prices are bullish or bearish. If prices are above the cloud acts as support for the bullish price action. Conversely, if prices are below the cloud serves as resistance for the bearish price action. In addition, if prices are inside the cloud, it means prices are consolidating. We will explain this with charts next. To the left of this chart, we very quickly discern that price is bullish, because prices are above the cloud. And we see how the cloud served as a support zone for prices, before they entered the cloud. While inside the cloud, prices are consolidating as the markets find a direction for price. Once the price broke below the cloud, prices are visibly bearish, with the cloud serving as resistance. The center portion of this chart displays bullish price action, with clouds serving as support below prices. We see how prices bounced off their support 3 times, before breaking through support. Over here, we see bearish price action, with the Kumo serving as resistance. As mentioned, both the top and the bottom of the cloud are resistance lines, together forming a resistance zone. Prices bounced off the resistance 3 times, consolidated inside the cloud, before breaking above the resistance zone. You would have noticed that the clouds take on various shapes and sizes, and this provides us information as well. Thicker clouds represent higher volatility, as prices have made higher highs and lower lows. This causes the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen average, which is the Senkou span A, to deviate further from the Senkou span B, which is the 52-period price equilibrium. Thicker clouds also offer stronger support and resistance. It is common for prices to break through the cloud, at points where the cloud is thin. You will notice this in the charts coming up. The thick clouds on the left offer strong support for prices, with none of the prices closing below the cloud in this example. However, price did eventually break below the cloud, when the cloud was thin. Again, we see here, how a thick cloud offers strong resistance, and prices only break through above the cloud, when the cloud was thin. Now that you understand Senkou span A and span B, let's move on to numerous other topics from StreetPeeps.com.